The next thing we need to do is cleanse the data. This is going to be cleaning stuff up, removing stuff we don't need, stale things that we want to get rid of. That is all of our relevant things when we come to cleansing. Now, I'm going to remove a couple of these because I don't actually have date fields and like stale items. And this is something to watch out for because if you just disable this, and I'll show you exactly what happens. So all I want to do in this case is exclude things that don't have a primary key, which we just set, and then remove primary key duplicates. So from the source, if I have two line items that are the same primary key, it's going to remove one of the duplicates. That's all I want to do. There's two other things here, which are filter for records without a specific date or filter old dates. And if I run this, even if they're turned off, it's going to fail. And it's going to fail because I actually don't have any date fields inside of what I'm running here. So it failed, and I actually have to go through and remove these. So if you don't have any dates or specific values, you actually want to remove these items. You could always add them back later with different cleansing rules. But in this case, I'm going to keep things very simple and just do two cleansing rules to remove duplicates and to remove empty primary keys. So once that's done, I'll rerun this, and this time it should work because I don't have any dates. And once the cleansing is done, we could move on to the next thing. Beautiful, completed. And the UI is a little bit weird here. You have to click X. You don't want to click start again or run cleanse. Once it ran. You could just back out and that step is done. I wish there was like a next step. It would make the UI a little bit better. Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the number one reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.